What's going on YouTube? Today, basically going to pull the front end of the car, go through it, do some maintenance on it, and check it out. We'll show you the process. Now that we got the front axle out, I'm going to remove the radar arms now, pull the tracking bar out, and basically pull the rest of the front end components out and go through it. I did find one thing, the right front wheel bearing isn't doing too good, so we're going to have to pull that down and check that out, see where that one's not locking up, but it's pretty rough. So we'll check that out once we pull everything else out. The whole front end disassembled. Now all we got to do is basically just clean it up, get it ready for paint. It's all brackets and everything. Go on. All the spindles, I got the one battery soaked in there. Now just get it all cleaned up, get it paint. Got a couple of the rods that are already painted, ready to go. Nice jet black, will match the car. So we'll clean this up and get this under the paint. Next part of the front end, basically tune up, is I got my shocks torn down, my advanced racing suspension coilovers. Basically just going to clean them up, go through these, clean these up, paint these, lubricate the shock itself, check the seals and everything, make sure they're good. Clean up the eye loop ends, same thing with the coilover kit. Basically just clean everything up so that when it's back on the car I know it's ready to go. And as you see here, basically everything is ready to go on the front end, besides cleaning up some of the grease and stuff like that. Besides putting the tires on, everything was painted black, all the radius rods and all that, track bar. Kind of give it a cleaner look instead of that aluminum. I don't really like the bare aluminum color on a black car. So the whole front end was painted and all that. So everything just has to be tightened down. That's about it. Other than that, though, yep, everything is lubricated, spins freely. Just clean it up and get the coils mounted back on it, and put tires on and set her down. Alright, got the whole front axle bolted in. So far so good, looks good. All the wheel bearings are greased up, both sides. Shocks are in, coilovers, track bars, radius rods, everything's in, ready to go. All we got to do now is set the car down and see where we're at, see if anything binds. The front end is back in, everything's tightened up, everything's lubricated, everything spins freely. I think we're good to go, besides squaring everything up before we take it to the first track for the practice. That's going to conclude today's video about changing the front end out. We painted it, we greased everything up, replaced anything that needed to be replaced, seals, stuff like that. Checked out all of our components, make sure nothing was cracked or anything like that would cause an apparent safety hazard. Other than that, though, looks like we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.